These are the best US websites to source Amazon FBA deals. We've already gone through some amazing US websites which you can find Amazon FBA deals, which we will link just up here. But with FBA, it is vital you have multiple sources of locations to find your products. So today we've got 4 more lined up to show you. If you're not sure about what Amazon FBA is, or you want a refresher before starting this video, you can check out our in-depth explainer just up here. Now, alongside these 4 websites today, we'll also be showing you a live FBA deal next to each one, so you can see the sort of products you can find on them. Now, a quick disclaimer, all of these deals come from our Deal of the Day feature. This is where we send in 1 to 2 deals Monday to Friday to all of our customers for free, just to give them inspiration on what to look for and where to look. These get sent into our Discord and our social media, so they do get seen by quite a lot of people. So just bear in mind that these prices do often drive right down just because so many people do buy them. We don't really recommend to buy these products just because of the fact that they are being seen by that many people. But if you're ready for the websites, let's get into it. So first up is the website Rural King. Now, this is mostly a farm supply store with a fantastic range of products. Now, you should be able to see my screen where I've got an example of a deal from this website. So it's this Roundup Gallon Premium Sprayer, and we can buy this product for $16.99. And as you can see, at the time we sent this into Deal of the Day, it was selling for $39.98. Now, it wasn't selling a huge amount, only 5 to 30 units a month. The amazing thing about this product was the profit, $12.86 per unit, and there was only 5 other FBA sellers, so there wasn't too much competition at all. And there's loads and loads of deals like this on Rural King. So on to website number 2, and it is the website Scheels. So this website mostly sells sporting goods and equipment, but like the last one, they've got a great range of products and often running good discounts or discount codes. Now, the product we're going to be showing you from this website wasn't actually a discounted one, it was a full price one, but it's a really good FBA deal. So it was this CVA Duracite rail-based scope mount. We could buy this for $14.99, and when we sent it into Deal of the Day, it was selling for $28.51, so a really nice price difference there. This product was selling really well, so 90 to 240 units a month. It also had good reviews, so it had 28 and it was 5-star rated, and that's important because it minimized the risk of products getting returned. There's only 2 other sellers on this listing, and they were selling using the FBM method, which is fulfilled by merchants, so they were sending it out themselves. Now, before we get into website number 3, I just wanted to let you know about an exclusive YouTube discount code which you can use to sign up to Profitl. I will just make it pop up here. It will save you either 20% off monthly plans or 5% off yearly plans, so make sure to take that down so when you are ready to start your FBA journey, you can save yourself some money. Now on to website number 3, and it is the website Zappos. Now, I'm sure everyone knows this website. It is a great website for clothing and shoes. Now owned by Amazon, of course, but they've got such a large variety of products. There's always great deals to be found on here. So the product which we found, which you can see on screen now, is this Topo Designs travel toiletry kit. So we can buy this one for $24.99, and at the time we sent it into Deal of the Day, it was selling on Amazon for $54. This one again had really good sales, so 120 to 300 units per month. It was obviously a newer product because it only had 3 reviews, but they were all 5-star rated. But it had a really healthy profit, so $12.68 per unit. Now, not too much competition on this one, which is always a good sign. Only 3 other FBA sellers. Ideally, you want less than 5. Obviously, the more competition you've got on the listing, the less time you're going to have to buy box and the less sales you're going to make. And also, the price is likely to drive a lot lower if there's more people selling on the listing. If you're interested in seeing actual Amazon FBA sourcing and also shorter explainer videos for everything Amazon FBA, then please do check out our new YouTube Shorts channel, which I'll link just up here. It has loads of 30-second short burst content, so make sure to go check it out and also subscribe to that one as well. So now on to the 4th and final website, and it is the website Chewy. Now, Chewy is a very large pet retailer with a great variety of products, and pet is always a great category to be selling on Amazon. Now, the product we found was the one you can see on the screen. It was this Ideal Pet Products pet door replacement flap. It is actually sold out, but we could buy it at the time. And as you can see, we could buy this one for $25.99, and it was selling for $46.96. Now, the best monthly sales out of all of them on this one, so 240 to up to 600 units per month, depending on the price it was selling selling for. Now, it wasn't a crazy return on investment on this one, only 23%. That would still give us $5.87 profit per unit, so not too bad at all. And as there was only one other FBA seller on this listing, we didn't have to worry about too much competition, which means we could send it in and get on the buy box without waiting too much time. So that's the 4 websites we have for you today. If you would like us to do a part 3 like this video, then please do let us know. And if you have any questions about Amazon FBA, just put them in the comments. We try to answer all the comments we do get, but make sure to like, comment and subscribe for weekly FBA deals. We post them every week on Thursdays.